Hello.
I survived the time jump. I'm alive and well in Los Angeles.
Congratulations. That means there's actually one person in the city I like now.
Oh, stop it. I know you have a thing for that mailroom kid, Kevin.
No! Not Kevin.
Not Kevin.
God, no.
Oh, I am obsessed with the red velvet cupcake.
Wow. You're even cuter in person than over the phone. So you're gonna show me the town or what?
Actually, I'm free tonight if you're not busy.
Oh, yeah? Hi, you've reached Genevieve. Leave a message.
Hey, Jen, it's Sarah. I know I'm supposed to take you around town, but it just occurred to me that I never actually go out, so I wouldn't even know where to start. You got anything?